episode for high JJ News. Mema obibia kwaba ahade latest and hot news emkwa era me bremo. Enunti so nyan subscribe to channel idea bomodi and say obe subscribe. The obe and say we click the subscribe button. Now wa belly notification. We had a video for be upload no. When the first person what's ebeka a video. I feel we are now like a video and give us a thumbs up. Now fi share my wa for so now when you be here. Now who and someone I so ewo Ghana memo hanum. Afi yembura ye and someone abeto yep so. Yiti a year sa report here about to yiti azimi yiti.
That's evidence on Sunday Papa Kulipa. Focus. Let us focus on their contribution. That's evidence on Sunday Papa Kulipa. Mr. Speaker, honorable members. Honorable members. Please just give him hearing. I'm not taking any point of order. So, leader, let's hear you. Mr. Speaker, obviously, focus. Let us focus on their contribution. That's evidence on Sunday Papa Kulipa. Mr. Speaker, honorable members. Anybody who has followed my career and followed my involvement in Ghanaian public life will in all modesty attest to the fact that I don't speak in that nature. I don't speak in that manner. The words which are being falsely attributed to me are not words that I will ever use. That's not the way I speak. Secondly, I didn't even know that such words had been uttered. I found that this morning when this trending video was brought to my attention. And what I can say to that is that it's totally false. It cannot be correct. I mean, anybody who's followed my life and career will come to the conclusion that Abu Jinapor will not speak that way. I don't even speak across the aisle when I'm in Parliament. If I have anything to say, I make the effort to catch the speaker's attention, and I say it publicly. So it is totally false. I have huge respect for President Rawlings. Anybody who knows me very well knows that when he was alive, he took a lot of interest in me, and I visited him multiple times. Indeed, when he passed, on this floor in Parliament, the person who read the tribute in honor of the memory of former President JJ Rawlings was the Honorable Haruna Idrisu, the then minority leader. I was then the first time, indeed, that was the first time I spoke on this floor. I was the one who seconded the minority leader and supported and contributed and eulogized President Rawlings on the floor of Parliament. Hansard will bear me out. When his children set up this foundation for tree planting, I was a guest of honor, and it's on record what I said about former President Rawlings. Indeed, I had a very personal relationship with him. I have a lot of respect for him, and I have a lot of respect for his family, particularly his daughter, the Honorable Member of Parliament, Dr. Zanetor Rawlings, and I will never utter such words. It will not even cross my mind, because as I say, in all humility and modesty as a gentleman, I don't speak in that manner. Anybody who has followed my career and followed my involvement in Ghanaian public life will in all modesty attest to the fact that I don't speak in that nature. I don't speak in that manner. The words which are being falsely attributed to me are not words that I will ever use. That's not the way I speak. Secondly, I didn't even know that such words had been uttered. I found that this morning when this trending video was brought to my attention. And what I can say to that is that it's totally false. It cannot be correct. I mean, anybody who's followed my life and career will come to the conclusion that Abu Jinapor will not speak that way. I don't even speak across the aisle when I'm in Parliament. If I have anything to say, I make the effort to catch the speaker's attention, and I say it publicly. So it is totally false. I have huge respect for President Rawlings. Anybody who knows me very well knows that when he was alive, he took a lot of interest in me, and I visited him multiple times. Indeed, when he passed, on this floor in Parliament, the person who read a tribute in honor of the memory of former President JJ Rawlings was the Honorable Haruna Idrisu, the then minority leader. I was then a first timer. Indeed, that was the first time I spoke on this floor. I was the one who seconded the minority leader and supported and contributed and eulogized President Rawlings on the floor of Parliament. Hansard will bear me out. When his children set up this foundation for tree planting, I was a guest of honor, and it's on record what I said about former President Rawlings. Indeed, I had a very personal relationship with him. I have a lot of respect for him, and I have a lot of respect for his family, particularly his daughter, the Honorable Member of Parliament, Dr. Zanetor Rawlings, and I will never utter such words. It will not even cross my mind, because as I say, in all humility and modesty as a gentleman, I don't speak in that manner.
Now, sir, evidence crowd was any papa ekunipa. So the question we are asking is, "Ya kasasa went for coming Kuruma home, and on the Kankanya media bar, the castle. Ye two coming Kroya call castle, and I Kankanya mini in the hall. And a flight Lieutenant JJ Rawlings answer na Akufo Addo, and a onu moja or yes say. It is just one person that Rawlings a kunipa na Akufo Addo who went to be a finance to a fiase. Ya two aya Jomama humpe. Na Jomama ya Kromfo, Jomama kwakosi Agyapong wakoto Agyapong awo Dubai. But Mama kwaja mu baye for 8 years when you say and I Ghana for 2 abadi etiamo. So shall we then say, sir, na Rawlings ni yo wudini into mobile no ana wawu. Yay. It says Parliament no gradually losing relevance because nipa bi sasa was a work ho. Me see ebedu baby wa ho. Ebedu mribi no, ubedu Parliament no. Na abrechi no dwantin eti okonwa so. Evza si yaba tu aba edi nkrofo akwako gina ya nama ye hwe nkrofo na adwen mu se nipa na adwen mu da ho because ana Ghana so woni sika wasem sa obi nim nyansa pa wo community society mba oni sika nti ana endu chese fraud fu nyina ba kwa akodi Parliament afa. Amafa woman nim nyansa but omu wosika. So gradually the NPP is making Parliament, you know. Parliament is losing its relevance. Because the Parliament are becoming useless. And you have a parliamentarian, but Obi, I can say Obi is silly. Look at, you see, in society, you want to no, and you're very dangerous in every society. One, those who know yet decided not to talk about. So your NDC MPB and all can say Akufo Addo, she didn't look at the choir. Yeah, Tristan George no kujato. Yeah, true am of say Oma Kase be the Chief Justice. Enti anunti Afenyo Markins say womu approve even though they don't have the numbers. But Obi to me Gina on the floor of Parliament, Akakasa Fiwe, Yantisa, Penibia Baba condemn, any NDC in a casa, Uber Civil Society Organization, any the Bonifua, woman and not doing another Bokron or Gomamwa. Another media is silent. because if you MPP one never would your time or time and I want MPP here. You daughter of a murderer. And so Zenator and his family and her family must do the needful. No munko sue that person. And then this is in power. Munko sue that MP. No for evidence. I just say Rawlings are a murderer. So then I couldn't do my Rawlings. How do you feel? Obi time who couldn't at town. All of a sudden, when in the Koba Afenyo, they now need another Nediasa. Indeed, so what time for all of a sudden, no, or Danny no by your Adofua, and behind every successful man, there is a woman, and behind every failure, woman be a failure, all of a sudden. When I had in a Kennedy Agyapong first 2001, 2002, I ended for a cosi pair. All of a sudden, Nana Konedu Abedani Nanado darling girl. All of a sudden, not like Lieutenant General JJ Rawlings Abedani Nanado darling boy, and a papano or Shafam. And the MDC for now, all of a sudden, MPP for Abeya Monam for no. You are joking. MPP need on slow moja obeku aji power obeye. MPP will only come into terms with you. Yambedi consensus say it's about them. They are all self-centered.
Ato FM 92.3.
Eti yanimo koba, yanimo sirikwa. An appointment will bring now koso, but look at Zanetor Rawlings, the contribution as far as on in but I don't know if President our baby didn't but I am very prudent to say the Rawlings factor too must factor in this government.
Ato FM 92.3.
But it's too early. I buy no nimnioye. But as I've been saying, we brought John Dramani Mahama. I will make sure Mahama succeeds. MPP na mo party ashes today ya abua also no musi wani ate. It is about MPP. Omuhusu fe. Sempo na mu wie sika kura na mu de to ahonfed duro kura nka ye. Ya baka no kura kire mo. Isaka Amokote aye local governance expert. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Na boko de.
Yeah. I'm sorry na unya ai bibitu ye mo na ye.
Uga do your son. Agamaka say you sit down. You daughter of a murderer.
Oh, wow.
I knew on the floor of parliament. So we can some every parliamentarian and no ever say you sit down, you daughter of a murderer. And okay, so now evidence was any papa kumunipa. Uti echira not here in parliament the enkoya. So nipa ne ya to abadi ama omi.
Hey. Also what means so for you. Gyamfi called Privileges Committee.
Privileges Committee.
I said Ubisa say a nipa ni atu about na who implies say omunye nipa dia na omoye mwa. Na
you know the bachelor say atwi nim because me na maka ma say nipa ni na mpa so we nipa dia say atu abama na.
Okay. Ore kan ko yenim. Say you know members of parliament now buy you know na nkrofobi this school of thought say omo experience adada for na yomu nyina e free hono yebenya problems. But I was thinking, say, if we replace them with some fine gentlemen and ladies they are on top of their job, I don't think they will fall within this situation. But Nyama 1, 2, 3 be a kosono. Ama me ya di say the school of thought no kind no. Abia na hiya pa. Let's was thinking fini. But nanado any opinion for sa old bracket no 80 plus no. Omo ho abufu ntino. Ghana for their abufu pa na eto abano.
There's another standard or the ban almost and your penny be na sevi na dwumu dosa. Inti
Ghana for their before one share say opinioni BBC no one say eto abano. Ana yakunya sa development Ocean Senior Omo leader, NPP minority leader, no. Senior all carry the home war parliament, no. That year, you suspended 4 years.
That's right.
Now, me say, you will chairman Sabunsu Kase speaker, is hard to me now, or the year, you know, I know she do. Now, me be some who say, now, who you will chairman Sabunsu? Who are parliament, you know, to me, BBC. And now we ranking member o share me ye bibi tantan say. Say idea when in you walk out. That is the practice. But you don't behave like chimpanzees. Na impending for it someone ya to abayi mu. Na mukukrum konwa a table na mututum fidie na tete mo be able to say I mean, person make too much biom, but
maybe Ghana for person who they have oka.
Now, Moya at that level, no, a bit trickle down. And to me, I am not surprised to say, and nay, ye school for Kuala, Eko Shiape, na Omudi de se se o din se hunu wa kra se akodu saraga o she a report na beba from schools no ye nkwala no ya ginsem
za e bi kura se am role model ni anodom prani Afenyo
enti se o musua we no za characters we no and o musua won ya because the whole school na ye debate na ebi ayache mu parliamentarians when we ni debater. I don't think say ebedu baby instructors no be hwe say yen kukuru nkomya na me just say yen pimpia ye ho. No, it is absurd. Oh na omuye we no na mintimi hu NPP party mpanyimfo no omo he Professor Michael Quaynum omo
but annual party national executives echo parliament echo bomb baso say
national executives no nye omo no mu yempin for party no mu omo national executives are team na wo ho no omo nye wu poto they can't say anything e was so omo di omo chi because omo nyomu nyina na ekoso sa micro na omo anya no omo de meche no. And they can't do otherwise because the Koto Batisia NPP paying for a Ghana more NPP Koto. I don't think that's our trade, almost trainer and Ninamon, a half of the vote crowd.
Wow.
Because almost NPP ni Senate you. A time crocrana, Oman Kwabena, no Oman joining NDC in 92, no Omo boycott to Yanocrano. Na Omo any yeno, and yet by heart to say, we no airtime. I don't know me catch you, he says, Oman share, no mo di say ya echo 2028 omo be kon nano minority
enra muna mani abiri na mo force Sam George say on pacho no na bu colleague ba ko te parliament Fred Dr. Zenator said doctor of a murderer. Didn't see anything wrong with it. Manu guso munkura mo pachama Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo na wa say kuro na say yan ho de kuro no be ye. Say aye adwuma kase da president Mahama so no. Onu kura pobo pacha padiaman. In the presence sana mo ka asem no obi ti akire edidi Zenator atem. Daughter of a murderer. You couldn't say anything. But you are looking out to say obi pacho. Nana see you can see both videos of insult abo modern president Mahama. Mukwa ka wasi akoba apata bi wo baby fufuro bi dia sesa mkoguo. Because mo ya mamboyefo. Wo ti me hwe Dr. Zenator anim edidi natem. In just ya shame me crown pon say time ano mani abre say wo amdo abo hohoro am say free Sam George ho because we didi Akufo Addo atem mpo no di no. Me ba cha person no de kwaya na wa fanko obi a wo ba ye no ma mu nyina aka ye 122 billion. Let's assume you say 120 NPP for say 122 you befa 122 no obi a mo ba ye fiti ya katwa penso ebesi 2017 na Ghana ye ka ye 122 billion wo ko within a space of 8 years a pena ye de ma wo no what time e ka ro ke ka ko 900 billion. Who don't want for person now? Now you are the day. Who be sa NPP a buying sa a cano wama bragu was siana a cano any never yanima young who could offer so a candy bet you can romedy ya day ya wouldn't be because there are series of scandals. Series of scandals. Naka amamwa ya komu bosume e kobos say Jama Mama sat here, say Bosumia and Yesimi. I think there's the 4th week. Kasabla ya kan scandals by 3. Contaminator forward, ya enye ya starting government na contaminator forward scandal by. NC ye. Any tam yes contaminator forward ya kwaba company be moving pino se kwan. Mon nine ya hu ba bia sa company ni free. Ena kwanya fa so po yetimi ekwa contaminative forward no in the process ayetimi sa de koma moving pina. Asabno hwemu na ya troka na ya kle naka Akufo Addo amamwo MPP amabo de atwa bosome ene anti scandal hwe mesa ye wom sisi ya no obi anfom mu approve ho ene obi anfom mu samo be ya da eno entire coat entire shirt Smith videos ni bia ye ready and the opposite to be release it me pasa what say some wasum say Sanka ye kama fa makacho sanka cheche de ona fa abofo kane eti ye bekoso akai mo na moma wo sa didi atameya ba mo timi hwe ni ayi president Mahama anim ni mojanfo sei na mo sa mo crofo 2x4 binom no mo didi president Mahama tam you see nothing wrong with it and now obi aka asem a wo susu say ya tamdie ama hwan Akufo Addo shay na wo kasa abana ye to ye no sanka mo pe obi a wadi Akufo Addo atama mo fa hye ye gada for abana ye to ye no ye di na Addo atam say na mamwo no kro no amamwo eti ye mpe eniaba bebre kwaso e wo parliament enra na krofo bebre buafu say oh ade a minority ni ye no wo ma anya ade me democracy some of the issues when they are doing it I just look at them. That's the beauty of democracy, so let them do it. Nia eya excess no eno na ya ka ho asem nia ya excess no na no pe ya ka ho asem because enra which the posture of Honorable Afenyo Markins in relation to Honorable Samuel Kojo Tróuble and Honorable Georgia, acquired to say Yamomo assignment bia. And was at all costs assignment omutimi for failing assignment and say and was one more Sam George more pa than Akufo Addo achew so oka say or your direct beneficiary of galamsey and I was saying half a public person in the court. One stealing from the person, what person in the course, some no, any assam or catch the Chief Justice time and LGBT, as some no, a Supreme Court, no, some issues, no, as say a assignment ye de ma micro minority for no say ekwan bia so e wasam make sure say Sam George be pachaw e wo badwam na na atake away adwena ye wo fam ho anase say because me ya titia me gina he wuntimi nsesa ma adwen say na rodan Akufo Addo galamse na ekoso no wonya mfaso oso me ka se na Akufo Addo on benefited from galamse ya eka galamse no ko betimi asia no because onu ane nkrofo na eye galamse no to the point to say akontaman say ye chama wuntumi de edru ba bi na the president of the republic one that the PRO kasama akontaman sa yakwa akwachi no say wawura kwaya yemfa ma no some no e won panyufo anim a wo ye investigations no na Akufo Addo defend it say wanya galamse onya illegal mining NFI kosi enti say oba panyi sa amre no oni interest e wa galamse mu a me ya sure say Kwabena kwan ma procedures akoso e Kwabena kwan o ama structures aye adwuma because for somebody to put your presidency on the line say me man to galamse asia muntu abentia me na wantimi antu asia na afa ade no aye kanka abesen ye kom efichire ba bia obefa bia galamse de koso ensuo bia bekomu bia ya sensuo no to the sense na senya na afedie ochihine ni abre say yen yes caveters de yes sisi nsuo no so na ensuo na ni nti time ani ye deda ni yakikam no ka che say ya baifo yen ya ka Akufo Addo amambo ho asem no ye ya baifo Akufo Addo every power we ya wakotire fie no afa ya ho sensuo na sei eniti machines a ye de kwosisi nsuo num etu galamse na afa de yenkoyi machine free ho eno anyame na meka yo wo mo ana mu defend no mo na na eka eti se na adodanko Akufo Addo any interest e wa galamse mu a ade no wantimi anya ho hwe because the amount of money a ye de mag operation gala stop se asoja fontin si krom wo mun komuram enkwasi galamse ano kwai se sika no ahye galamse no aya west ye wi ayeso wo mun twetwaja ento grofers caveters mu hyehe no ema mo kwahye galamse campaign ne machines ketiafu amahye ne machine amana nane antokwa okroba ekwadani asem ye hyehe grofers caveters me patroni nyina ekosi sai ankwasi hute eti sa wo force Sam George say ampacha wo se asam no kan no wa twe asanya sa na momo ohrobo sa free approval no ho no na ye dey ne yes person say empanyfo president Mahamadu Bawumia no on be ye adwuma ye president Mahamadu ni so ani hunu sa wo be approve ana sa wo approve no e ba case o said ya momo timi approve ha wa kumsi e wa kroma a bibia ansi no eno so sa ya be approve Sam George approve okuja Tróuble kwa hwinsi na meka se ka ba fo mafa enka chiche de order fa bofo kane se ka edidi atamu a ye didi nkofo bi okrom a wose ye pachewa e ka mu NPP fo na wose mo padwo mahama ene panyufo bi ache okrom ha atemdie fita a monto sabe atemdie fita a monto sabe abranya mu nyina tibi didi da edwo mahama atem abranya omu nyina chama wontumi mu omu nyina timi bioma na omu didi dwo mahama atem e ko free o chikoja ba odidi president Mahamadu tem mo for NDC forecast o ampacho committee no so mo approve no who cares
parliament last week near Messi wa parliament vetting na before parliament sanye mani besie no petroleum commission mami Hardcastle or Victoria MF Hardcastle any another prenyan e mami me be kan say si e condemn how akumsin e condemn eslowusu ene wo mom ka ho de a yenka se maame no nso no oye ma ne try e ko oni a odi anodon preference oye ma ne try but anodon pre a justify the enti ana wo se maame ne yesa wajagbawe member of parliament Jerry Hwan wako parliament unya 2 months kwase asem we frase na wudi eniamo ho de ene we frase a wudi e wo parliament wajagbawe wo kura si ulusu ye na NDC parliamentary candidate ni supporters ena wo mudi osebo etisi abontin so ma wini wo mo twe wo mo ho an e declare wo So why we ni Jerry? And a wood gym. And then some who now no ya wadanadu and a wood. Madam ye Victoria Mefa. Any another prenya any na we chere say we dey abroso. Another pre member of parliament, what's not parliament? Not 4 years, not 8 years. What's not parliament? What's not one more? And what's a wubu? Nanka Jerimu ya wakachom sa masa. Stop it. Stop the nonsense. Or no any lead ye because before I'm best started Sadia no more parliament one mono. No I'm planning with them. Say Sam George ye be trim. Afenyo Markins be bisa the questions be 5 hours. Enti ye nya time enverti minta candle. Okuja tonso de here the whole day. Enti se bana se yakase ya bre ye mpon anadwena so mo ya ye be scatter ho. Minority caucus no micro minority for no. Honorable Afenyo Markins ni anodom premo. Omo planning bibi omo orchestrate bibi a dem and omo de ba appointment committee na se. And omo de ba ho. Anodom practice chairman nim appointment committee chairman nim Bernard. And here for enim se ai Oliver Bakava mawo akachom so mo je bribe na ne makọ school a ne mana fofo ebeka san daddy say wonam ho je bribe ebeye nim guase de ama no enti se Oliver ama parliament ama pachaw ama amomo ntwi nanimu a ene everton wo mo nye because ne ma ekọ school a ne mani mate ebeka se mo papa te eje bribe enti anodon press everton wo mo nye eno na madam Victoria ne anodon prenya ye wo parliament wo. And today, who said another planner started here. He was the first MP. On the deacon, the child to swallow. On the deacon marshal, editor desk and so another pray. And I was like, another pray. Now, Oma, I was a video. Daddy, what do you know of ye? Parliament now, Papa Penny, ultimately, yes, our parliament. And I said, there are many teams. Said, you know, a good year in many moissy. The constituency, a good many moissy. To say a school for quantako boys or my quantako. Near shall will be a no big girl, no my friends to Tonyama. A school for boys, as a for boys, JHS for boys, a quantako. Maybe yes in our yama ways now where you to another yama ways now way too. What's Oliver Bakavama accuse you, Musa, Moja bribe? It is said, Chairman, I'm for now my parliament one my vet in the moon yet. Adia chinya honorable anodom pre ya munyam ho honorable niema vetin semu vetia eyete bubuo semu vetia papa panimu ti sa anodom pre wo cha wote so na wa maso na wa de ato desk no so table no so ewi eche table abu microphone se sisi manimu nyina amasa no na se obi gina manim oba na se otufo ma wa. Now the Akufo of Parliament is on TV da. Ade a waye no wabo musuo. On TV da wabo musuo. Wadu anim aye fom. Na se wote Parliament one more represent Ghana for one pempem o constituency. Omo yesay population yesay. Na se woda edomo no emu ahemfo yo mo wo constituency. Opinion leaders omo wo constituency. Now represent more parliament. Near be who parliament to say member of parliament. Honorable Mua. No one peda wakonya what is one nation. We microphone now wo to. Na NPP for go eche mu bosse. Ya mighty minority. Video now you ready.
We care. But I also want to ask you a question. The first allegation was directed at your side. Majority side. And then the chair. We care, but I also want to ask you a question. The first allegation was directed at your side, majority side, and then the chair was robbed in. Is it the case that you don't care about your reputation? But don't forget, this is an institution. Parliament. Parliament has been impugned. We don't even have a basis to sit here. You are told you are corrupt. You've been taking money from nominees before you sit, before you approve. And then, shamelessly, you still come and sit. Oh yes, I'm speaking in context. You still come
Honorable member, please withdraw the word shamelessly and proceed.
Well,
withdraw. Please withdraw.
I said in a certain context, but if it's a case that is offensive, it's withdrawn. You have been accused. You are being discussed in the media as taking bribe, and you don't find it offensive, and you say that we should forgive. We won't get to the bottom of it. We should still come and sit here and behave as the ostrich. Nothing is happening, and we go ahead. We in the minority side will not support you to do this. We won't inflict further pains on Parliament. We have suffered too much.
Parliament clerk, lady no. Ono no ahwade bay, tumi bay, emra bay, edi enwa bay no be gina so a. Wono be kwa frɛ majority for say, momra metena se, na se minority for kora ama na mumveti. Wono tumi ni ahwade bay no woni bi. Afenyo Markins edi mame nanimu ye fom. Ekasa rudely. Ekasa basa tantan ya wono Afenyo Markins and yire no bi ye ne sa enka won pe enka won tiase. Appointment committee chairman eka kire wono parliament clerk say ya wadwuma ono na akwa challenge ne say masa mi ntimi nye honorable da bi mi ntimi nye ye ntwa minority for lady no onu tumi ben wo ahode ben wo emra ben onu be gina so a onu betimi akacha appointment committee chairman say minority for my enunti proceedings entimi nkoso vetting entimi nkoso Afenyo Markins edi mami animu ye fom edina tem ekasetia no basa tantan ewo parliament ho. But eye parliament clerk there Afenyo Markins wo ewo right. But MFN right because onye member of parliament and outside than a quiet sour parliament one monua ki ebe force no so on pacho on retract it on pacho minority leader our parliament ya wonu ankase ni mu yesa maame no de onye ahwe se wubu afu we were aggression uni baby a wo be channel wo be divert that aggression towards to enye maame no but yesu utimi fo timi wa oro wo kawa edefa wa beti enti Afenyo Markins hu ye no ye na de se maame no wo ba no se medi na tem meka nkwase asem a kire no eno ye na de se ampan so be ye enti na mi bisa se emefa yesu akwaka de wonka e wo parliament honorable na idrusu who original floor e pa chaw e ma no Mr. Speaker, we say we kwa baby aba, mo be invite my na be pacho. Even that same day, MFN question pacho say overreact into pacho. Eti parliament clerk no say na mo kwa parliament ya, mo be she minority leader amana peledi ni chewa na. Mo be she minority leader say, ne ka say fi na num ba ye na airtime, na eburo so, na airtime. Because lady ni ntimi nkasa, no ye vulnerable. En what ho en abema obu ne yire bu ne mpenafo wo fie ne manke to akwa no wo fie onfo wo mani mu nya fom on kasa tantan enchira wo mo ho minority leader oni parliament process proceedings bi bia ne ade no obi yire obi maame odi nanim aye fom edi na tem ahohwo enyese parliament wo mo nkwa na wo ho ahohwo atwa ho no mo ahia cameras so cameras ediesi maami so na maami to no wamoa no ho are ho sem ne kamafo ne hwan enti me hwe parliament e man na mo wo parliament ne say ade Afenyo Markins ye mo be sorry atia because that day na emefa hardcaster ekasa no me hu ema MP samugina floor e wo parliament e condemn ye enti e man na mo ye MPs na mo wo parliament no me hwese ochena mokwa parliament ya mo be sorry agina mo nasma condemn me na ma call minority leader to order na ma speaker say kwanya Afenyo Markins ediled ni fast no na ɛyɛ uncalled for.
Yo, it for winning and somewhere abeto yapono so Mikao says so when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi answer obe subscribe say had later and hot news nkwa Eramede bremo afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so da when you be here na wo hu and somewhere koso e wo Ghana memo ha also betimi atchere wadwen afa ye and some way nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu mobeti binkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.